Those women of Wisteria Lane look great, don't they? So do you want to look as fabulous as they do? Well, we caught up with one Beverly Hills doctor who says he knows a quick fix for capturing youth, and he's calling it the Desperate Housewife Facelift. Ever dream of having the sexy look of Susan, the fresh face of Gabrielle, or the smooth skin of Brie? Well, meet Beverly Hills plastic surgeon Dr. Calabria. He's developed a new procedure he calls the Desperate Housewife Facelift.
A lot of my patients are desperate housewife, and they see themselves in the show, and the ladies on the show look great, and why not look as good as they look?
Actually, the procedure is called the OneStitch lift. It's a lot less invasive and a lot less expensive than a regular facelift. And the results are a more youthful appearance overnight.
There's basically one stitch that goes through this area here and anchors a little bit further up.
The idea came to Dr. Calabria when an actress from the 50s came into his office using an old Hollywood trick for close-ups, Scotch tape to hold up her face.
After surgery, there is minimal bruising, there is minimal swelling. The patient after the next day can go back to work. It's not going to look done or pulled or tight, but it's just enough to make a difference.
Does it work? Actress entrepreneur Darcy Ludwig says so.
I'm in my 30s, and I think now that I look 25 that I've had this procedure done.
Darcy isn't a desperate housewife, although she relates best to Nicollette Sheridan's character, Edie.
It gave me a fresh look, a well-rested look, and it doesn't look fake or pulled or anything weird. It just looks natural.
Model, radio personality, and author Donna Spangler heard about the Desperate Housewife lift from her friend Darcy.
Why not look the best you can if you have the ability? And with procedures getting so much easier, and this OneStitch facelift, which Dr. Calabria developed, I mean, why not?
Desperate housewife or desperate executive, they want a more natural result.
Dr. Calabria says his male patients are fans of the Desperate Housewife lift as well, due to no visible scarring and the quick recovery.